Everybody, and welcome to Live at the Zadar Open. We're here at the Croatia Tennis Federation. My name is Justin Russ, and I'm here with your Players Desk associate, Anita. Anita, how are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. It's actually my first time here in Croatia. You have a beautiful, beautiful country. Tell me about some of the things that I should be checking out while I'm here in Zadar.
Well, you should go to the old city, to the bridge, to the Pozdrav Suncu. It's greeting the sun. That's the main part of Zadar.
Thanks for that. Yeah, no, Zadar is a beautiful town. I can only imagine how much fun it is here in the summertime. I'm actually a big foodie when I travel, so do you have any suggestions on local cuisines that I should check out while I'm here?
Oh, yes, we have some good restaurants here. Četrinka tuna is my personal favorite, and also Fosha for very good fish dishes, so we'll check it out tonight.
I'm not going to try to pronounce those myself. Being American, we can't speak like that. But is there anything else that I should check out around the city while I'm here?
I'm not sure actually, but I think we should go for a Croatian beer, huh? What do you say?
I can definitely get on board with that. Tell me a little bit about your experience working this tournament. Is this your first year working this tournament?
Yeah, it's my first time working at a professional tennis tournament. I really love it. The players are all very nice, and the coaches. And yeah, I'm having a good time here.
Well, thank you guys for all your hospitality here at the Croatia Open. Once again, I'm Justin Russ. This is Anita here with the Croatia Tennis Federation here at the Zadar Open. Catch you guys next time.
Thank you.